Display size. OnePlus 12R is 6.78 inches. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 6.73 inches. Display resolution. OnePlus 12R is 1264 into 2780 pixels, with 450 ppi density. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 1440 into 3200 pixels, with 522 ppi density. Display type. OnePlus 12R is LTPO4 AMOLED. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is LTPO AMOLED. Display protector. OnePlus 12R is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Operating system. OnePlus 12R is Android 14, Oxygen OS 14. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, HyperOS. Chipset. OnePlus 12R is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Processor. OnePlus 12R is octa-core processor. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is octa-core processor. GPU. OnePlus 12R is Adreno 740. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Adreno 740. RAM. OnePlus 12R is 8GB, 12GB, and 16GB. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 12GB and 16GB. ROM. OnePlus 12R is 128GB and 256GB. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Front camera. OnePlus 12R is 16MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. OnePlus 12R is 50MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, and 2MP macro camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 50MP wide, 50MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 50MP ultra wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. OnePlus 12R is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. OnePlus 12R is 5500 mAh battery, with 100 watt fast charging. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 5000 mAh battery, with 90 watt fast charging. Spec winner.